Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
We're being detained.
We've asked you to stay here.
What's the charges?
There's no charges.
Am I free to go?
I've asked you to stay
Am I free
here.
to, no,
because
am I
you
free to
can
go?
No, not at the moment.
So am I being detained?
You've been detained here for the moment, yes.
On what grounds?
On the grounds that there's been a serious assault inside the premises
What does that have to do with us?
because you may be involved or you may be
Does
a
a person
witness.
give you a description of whatever was involved?
Very vague description, and that's
Okay.
what we're trying to
There's a
find.
white guy and a black guy here. Do either one of us fit the description?
Description.
Eh?
You might be a witness.
I told you. I've already told you. I have not seen anything.
We need to make sure that is the case.
Well, the case is, I'm telling you, I haven't seen
But the
anything.
thing
This
is,
gentleman said he
until-
hasn't seen anything.
Yeah, but the thing is,
Now,
until
I'm.
we speak
What is
to
your name?
PC Hawkins.
And what is your name?
Lucy Jones,
Am I free to go?
being detained.
On what grounds?
On
I'm American, so I know. On what grounds? Be careful what you say. On what grounds am I being detained for?
You've been explained enough times.
I'm going to get up and leave. Is there a reason why I cannot leave?
If you just bear with me a few minutes,
I don't want to bear
I'm gonna
because
go-
I don't want to bear with you until you told that guy to stop using his phone. That's why I'm.
Right, the concern I have, okay, is that for all I know...
Am I free to go?
No, listen a minute.
No,
I'm
don't
trying
forget
to
about all that.
explain.
Am I free to go?
No, you've asked me. You've
Yes,
said
ma'am.
you've
Am I free to go?
questioned about it, and I'm just explaining to
Am
you.
I free to go? Yes, I'm aware, totally aware. Am I free to go?
No, you haven't let me answer the question.
Yeah, because you guys like I'm sitting here, I'm cooperating, but now like you guys are pushing. You can't use the bathroom.
Right, hold on.
You know.
I've explained to you why you can't use the bathroom. You haven't let me explain yet why I was saying
No, you don't
about-
want. Now you're ready to explain because the video camera's on, ma'am.
No, I
listen.
had already explained because it's on my video camera.
Okay, but
I had already
your video
explained
camera only
why
gets
you don't-
used in case of an incident that needs to be reported.
No,
Okay.
not necessarily. It can be used for anything. It can be used
Okay,
for complaints
exactly.
or anything.
Exactly, a complaint. Exactly.
yes.
So if he complains, you have to pull that video camera up. If nobody complains, you don't need to pull it up. So I'm asking you, are we free to go?
I'm not stopping anybody complaining.
Are we free to go?
Right, no. Are you going to let me
Are we being
explain
detained?
to you? Are you going to let me
No,
explain to you?
no. I'm just answering my questions. Are we free to go?
No, we've explained.
Why are we not free to go?
Because there's a crime that's been alleged that's happened in here.
Is there
We need-
descriptions of
we
the
need
people?
Time to get a fuller description.
I told you
there
we just.
may be other accomplices involved. There may be significant witnesses. Okay.
If I get up
So
and
for the
leave, is
moment,
there you going to try to stop me from leaving? Is there any rules of saying that I cannot leave?
I would ask you.
You're asking
To
me,
stay
but I don't
here.
want to stay anymore because I want to go. My headache is now subsided and I'd like to leave. Am I free to go?
Right, just bear
Am
with
I free
me.
to go?
Can you just wait 1 minute?
See what happens when someone's educated?
It would be an agent.
Yes, it does. Because I'm asking you, am I free to go? And now you guys, I know I'm free to go. I know I am. And he's free to go. Are you free to go?
I think so.
Yes. You're telling him he can't use the bathroom.
You can't because it's a scenes of crime. You've been
Okay.
explained that. So
Okay.
we did
But
explain that to you, that
exactly,
crime
and
scene
therefore,
until
and
that
therefore
was
you've had,
cornered.
and therefore you've had description of whatever the case may be.
No, we've had a description of where it happened. It's alleged to have happened.
Are we free to go? I need to answer now because I'm going to get up and leave.
She will be back and she will let you know.
No, I'm going to get up now and leave.
But you
I
can't
d-
wait. What? 2 minutes? Less than
Why
that?
do I have to wait? So I'm lawfully being detained.
Pardon?
Am I unlawfully being detained at this moment?
Not unlawfully, no.
Okay,
You've
so
been
I
asked-
am a free to go.
We've asked you to stay. She has gone to speak to the officer over there. She's coming back to tell you.
Okay.
I think that's a fair thing to.
No,
to
it's
wait.
unfair because you
it's
told this
fair.
gentleman he cannot use the bathroom.
You can't because it's a crime scene.
It is a crime scene, which is
Okay.
what I've explained.
Yes. No, I'm not alright because we're free to. Are we being
No, you're not
detained?
free to go at the moment.
Okay. Well, what's the reason?
Well, we're still investigating what's gone on here. Something's happened. There's an allegation of crime, and we need to work out what's going on.
Okay. Do you have a description of those people?
We
of
do,
the,
yeah.
Okay. Do either one of us fit description? One of
At
us.
the moment, yes.
Okay. So which one needs to go then?
You both need to stay.
Come on. There's a black guy and a white guy here. One of us fit the description.
No, you both need to stay. sir.
What's it on what grounds?
On what grounds? Is because we don't know what's going on at the moment.
You need to find out because we
Well,
need
that's
to go.
what we're doing, sir.
All
I
right.
Sir, I promise you we won't keep you here any longer than we need to.
No, it's the fact that they don't want to let him use his phone and use the bathroom. This is
No.
the only reason why I pulled my camera out.
Well, I've got my camera on as well.
It doesn't matter about your cameras. My camera is more important than yours.
Absolutely.
All right. So are we being? I'm ready to leave now.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Okay, and are you going to stop me from leaving?
Yes, I will.
On what grounds?
Well, on the grounds that I suspect you might be involved in a criminal matter.
Okay, on a criminal matter. And this gentleman also?
Same.
Okay, what's your name?
It's Sergeant Hall.
And what's your name?
Sergeant Bing.
And your name again?
Jones.
And?
DC Hawkins.
Okay, so you're actually illegally detaining us
No,
right
we're
now.
not illegally detaining you.
I do believe you are
Well,
because
that's fine, sir.
because the simple fact is you have a description of a person.
Added a rank to myself.
There's a white guy and a black guy here, and you're still telling me that one of us is for description. So one of us needs to go.
You both need to stay, sir. Look, I appreciate your frustration.
No, it's the frustration is that the guy wanted to use the bathroom and they didn't even let him use the bathroom. Now, if something happens to his bladder, it's on you guys.
Well, then I'm willing to take.
You're not allowed to detain anybody from using the bathroom.
What to do?
Because you just don't, like I say,
Yeah,
as soon
come
as,
with me for any toilet, public toilet. I'm going to do myself.
I was sitting there quietly. I only pulled my phone out because she didn't want to let him use the bathroom.
Yeah,
can
well,
really
sir,
get
she's well within her rights due to the nature of the allegation.
You cannot stop someone from using the body fluids. No, you cannot.
that done,
Are you serious? Are you listening? You're telling someone they cannot use the bathroom.
Sir, the nature of the allegation means that we need to keep everyone here for something.
I can't do anything.
I appreciate your frustration.
I'm not frustrated. Just that the guy. I'm not. I know I ain't do nothing. That's why I only put this guy here wants to use the bathroom. You guys didn't want to let him use the bathroom.
I can use, but I didn't use it. That's nice to use.
I know, but
Well, you know, it's my natural.
I'm saying,
It's crazy.
It's.
I know I don't fit the description of nothing.
Viewers and subscribers, you ever hear one saying that them they at the wrong place at the wrong time? Yeah, well, it's something like that we're looking at in this video, you know? Now, these persons had been asked to stay at a certain place due to an investigation that is being done at a premises. And according to what the police officer said, there has been a serious assault at a premises, and that's where they are doing the investigation right about now. Now, the description is the whole issue right about now, viewers and subscribers, where the man that is holding the video, and by the way, that man that is holding the video, it seems as if he's an African American due to the things that he had said, and you know what I mean, you know. So this whole thing about describing or some form of a description as to who had done this whole assault, right? Now, I start to think, because I'm saying the description what them get, it seems as if them can't determine if it's an African descendant or someone of a different race. You know what I mean? So the person that is the victim of this assault, it seems to me like that person either been knocked out or ambushed or probably something to the point where that person that got assaulted can't even identify who the person was, or even some form of, you know, some form of description, you know what I mean? And witnesses is another thing again now. You know what I mean, viewers and subscribers? Like, weren't there any witnesses? Like, it just set away. You know what I mean? Then the issue with the man saying want to use the bathroom and can't get to use the bathroom. No, that is the part where sticky. That if him really want to use the bathroom too. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Because, you know, then they're at a place and they just want to leave. So then withdraw any card for leave right about now. You get me? Yeah. But that's all the thing said, viewers and subscribers. But anyways, video shown of police officers that is within the UK telling persons that they should not leave as yet due to an investigation that is being done at a premises. Now, it has been said that a serious assault had happened at the premises, viewers and subscribers, and this video is out on social media where some people are saying that the police officers had no right to do something like this. However, some people are saying that the police officers have all right to can do something like this, viewers and subscribers. All right, and at the same time, some people on social media are saying that those persons that were held by the police officers due to this whole description thing, they said that they did not know their rights. Now, viewers and subscribers, me leave it right there so with you, and you can also tell me what you think. You know what I mean? In my point of view, viewers and subscribers, I would strongly advise that whenever something like this happens, you should just comply with the law and take it easy. You know what I mean? Because you don't want to make matters worse for your viewers and subscribers. I mean, a simple 5 to 10 minutes, probably a half an hour wait, is way better than being locked up for something, probably, you know what I mean, something that can be a problem, like obstruction of justice or whatsoever, you know what I mean, something. All right, so just comply with the law and don't be hot-headed. All right, yeah, that's my best advice. I'm not going to tell anybody anything that's going to lead them into any bad way. No, I'm going to tell them the best thing that I can. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing go already. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall. Yeah, man.